Okay, good morning. Let's continue. We were discussing certain practical concepts of NetBeans Java. So we'll continue with the same. Let me open the book first. So last time we were discussing certain applications based on we have done this cost price selling price and this vowels, how to accept a character and print if the character is vowel or not. So this we have done with both switch statement as well as if else statement. Today we'll do the next one. Write the application in Java to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa using radio buttons and two text fields. So here we need to put two text fields, one for Celsius, temperature in Celsius, and second one for temperature in Fahrenheit. So if a user enters the temperature in Celsius on clicking a button or selecting it from the radio buttons, when the submission is done तो सेल्सियस वाला अगर गिवन है तो फ़ारेनहाइट में कन्वर्ट हो जाए, अगर फ़ारेनहाइट वाला है तो वो सेल्सियस में कन्वर्ट हो जाए, राइट. So let's just go to NetBeans. So let's open a new form for this. Right click on the project, create JFrame form. Name I am giving temperature change and click finish. So first of all, we'll place the controls, two labels, two text fields, then two radio buttons and one button, right? In this label, we'll write enter some network issues there today. Okay, so continue. So we have two labels here. One is enter temperature in Celsius Another one was enter temperature in Fahrenheit. First radio button for converting C to F, I'm writing Celsius to Fahrenheit. Second radio button convert F to C. Right, so these are the controls. Now we need this text field, so let's change the name. Let's make it T1, and second one as T2. This radio button, I'm renaming a radio button as RCF. RCF is radio to radio Celsius to Fahrenheit, and this as RFC. Right. Let's also find. Okay, so double click on the button to add up the coding. We'll move to the source window. Now, first of all, if this radio button is selected, then we'll read the value from Celsius text field and we'll print it in the Fahrenheit. And if the second radio button is selected, then we'll read the value from this Fahrenheit and print it in the text field 1. Right? One thing we left over, that we have to add a button group, and we'll change the button group property of both the buttons so that single selection can be done. That's it, it's done now. So if this first radio button is selected, RCF, then we'll start away straight away. If RCF dot is selected, square bracket, either we can write equal to true, or we can also remove this. We can write this much also. इसका मतलब यही होता है true से compare करना, नहीं तो equal to true भी लिख सकते हैं कि if this radio button is selected, then what to do, then we'll read the value. Let's take a double type variable. Let's take C to read it, and double dot parse double T1 dot get text. So this will read the value from the first text field. Okay, see, one error is there, that this variable declaration is not allowed within the loop. So for that we have to write it here. So I'll write C comma S F. I'll take another variable. तो यहाँ से हम double हटा देते हैं. Fine. So if this is selected, then what to do? And one more thing we should add one curly bracket here. So because we are going to write multiple statements. तो इसके बाद हमें Fahrenheit calculate करना है, तो F will be equal to, for that we need to know the formula. So formula is it will C multiplied by 9 by 5 plus 32 is C star 9 oblique 5. Let's place this 9 oblique 5 in bracket. plus 32, right? So this will calculate this Celsius into Fahrenheit, and now we're going to print the things in the second text field, Fahrenheit wala, uska naam hai T2. For the printing, we write set text and we'll print the value of F there. Done. So this is for the first radio button. Similarly, for the second radio button also, we have to write another statement. If F, the name of the second radio button was RFC. If RFC is selected, मतलब जो second वाला radio button है, second radio button था हमारा Fahrenheit to Celsius. So for that, in place of this C will take F, and C will be that formula we have to drive. So it is F minus 30 divided by 2. 32 होना चाहिए. F minus 32 and multiply by 5/9. It is F minus 32, and then let's put this in bracket, F minus 32, and we'll multiply this by 5/9 because formula will change accordingly. इसको भी हम bracket में डालते हैं, right? So this 32 will go this side, and in place of 9/5 we'll multiply by 5/9 because on the other side it will be reciprocal of the rational number, and we'll print the value of C in this text field. यहाँ पे भी आपको text field 2 करना है और यहाँ पे text field 1 करना है. So वाइस वर्सा होगा, बिकॉज अगर टेक्स्ट field 1 से उठाया तो 2 में प्रिंट करेंगे और 2 से उठाया तो 1 में प्रिंट करेंगे, right? So this will solve the purpose. Now one more important thing is that since we have using radio buttons, so radio buttons में हम अगर ये statement ना लिखें और सिर्फ else लिख दें तो भी हमारा प्रोग्राम चलेगा, because else means if this first radio button is not selected, then what to do? So then we'll automatically move on to the next, right? So अगर पहला radio button selected नहीं है तो it is clear that the second radio button is selected. For that we'll put else only, right? But this only happens in radio buttons when we have single selection. Multiple selection में आपको if condition देनी ही पड़ेगी, right? So that's all. Now let's see the result. I'll run the file. Okay, this is the file. If I put it in Celsius, if it is 40 degree, and while select Celsius to Fahrenheit and click here, I'll get 72.0, right? Or if I go with Fahrenheit to Celsius, this I'll remove, and in place of this I put 70 Fahrenheit. Click here, so we'll get answer is something wrong. It will put 72. It should be, so some error is there in the calculations, right? The formula is wrong or anyhow. So whatever the formula is used for calculation, that will be printed here, right? Let's check that formula once. What is the problem over here? So if you want to calculate C, it is F minus 32 and then multiply it by 5/9. Formula is correct, I suppose. If I take 72, 72 minus 32 will be 40. 40 into 5 over 9. Okay, okay. 5 over 9 will be 0 point something something. It is 0 minus 32 into 5 over 9. Anyhow, the formula is correct. Formula is correct. Let's run the file and choose some different value, and then we'll see the result. This text field size is small, so the number is not coming up to the mark. Now let's see this. Only slight variation. Okay, let me share that part also. If I put 102, click here, so it is 38 point, then 88888, it keeps on doing, right? So answer will be this, right? Moving further, next we have application in Java to convert kilograms into grams, and then liters into milliliters, rupees into paisa using a combo box and text fields. So now we'll use combo box. In the combo box, we'll select which one we want to convert, either kilogram or liter or rupees. So जितना भी वैल्यू होगा उसको हम कन्वर्ट कर देंगे एज पर द सिलेक्शन डन. सो सिलेक्शन में हम सेलेक्ट करेंगे किलोग्राम, लीटर और रुपीज़ में से. सो अगर किलोग्राम है तो जो भी वैल्यू है इट विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड इनटू 1000, and if liter is taken then again it will be multiplied into 1000, and if rupees has been taken then it will be multiplied into 100. Fine. So हमें combo box लेना है इस बार. Let's just go into the application, create a new form. We'll write the name combo. combo नाम से पहले भी एक फाइल है तो combo box कर लेते हैं. So first of all we need one combo box here, right? And let's place it in the center. Here we'll write enter the value. We need a text field where user will enter the value. Fine. So and another label and another text field where answer is to be printed. We don't require a button here because हमें selection based coding करनी है, right? तो ये एक बहुत important aspect है. You must be clear with this, that whenever we do code, when we write program, when we write code, we always write in the action perform method, right? जैसे अभी ये temperature था, तो temperature वाले example में when you double click here, so what happen is ये बटन का नाम और इसके साथ जो method का नाम आता है action perform. So this method indicates that whenever the mouse is clicked, then this code will run, right? So it's not only this, we can do various type of calculation. Like if you go to the events, right click on the button, go to the events, एक्शन में एक्शन परफॉर्म मेथड होता है जो डिफॉल्ट सेट है. इसके अलावा और बहुत सारे मेथड्स हैं, right? So we can run the program in various ways. Like if you say focus gain means whenever the focus is there on this particular button, the program will run automatically. Or we use key, whenever a key is pressed from the keyboard, the program will run automatically, right? There are some mouse methods also, right? If you mouse click anywhere, the program will run. Likewise, these are different methods associated with all sort of controls. तो ऐसे ही अगर हम कॉम्बो बॉक्स की बात करें तो यहाँ पे भी इवेंट्स में जाएं तो यहाँ पे इस देयर इज वन property called as selection property. Okay, that selection property is there with the list, not with the combo box, right? So here we have to add a button only. चलो हम काम करते हैं, हम combo box में से बाद में करते हैं. We'll use list first, right? I have added a list. Now in this, if I go with selection value change method, so when you click over here, तो क्या होगा कि हम बटन प्रेस करने की बजाय जब भी यहाँ पे कोई वैल्यू चेंज करेंगे, मतलब किसी डिफरेंट वैल्यू पे क्लिक करेंगे, तब आपका कोड रन हो जाएगा. सो वी डोंट नीड बटन हियर, राइट? सो बिफोर डूइंग दैट कैलकुलेशन, लेट्स चेंज दिस. यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे एंटर we'll write enter value. This text field should be blank, and here we'll write value after conversion, and this text field should be blank, right? And in this list we'll go to the properties. There's a property called as model property. यहाँ से हम इस लिस्ट के अंदर चेंजेस कर देंगे. जैसे पहला वाला ऑप्शन है किलोग्राम, नेक्स्ट वाज लीटर, एंड थर्ड वाज रुपीस, राइट? लिस्ट को थोड़ा छोटा कर लेते हैं. सो नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन इफ आई सेलेक्ट किलोग्राम, तो जो भी वैल्यू यहाँ डाली गई, it will be converted into grams over here, right? If I select liter, so whatever value entered here will be converted into milliliters here. And if I select rupees, so whatever value is written here, it will be converted into rupees over here, right? Now we don't need a button. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इवेंट्स में जाएंगे, राइट क्लिक करो, लिस्ट सिलेक्शन में वैल्यू चेंज्ड मेथड है, यू क्लिक हियर. The moment you click here, this coding window, the source code window will open up, and यहाँ पे आप देखो value changed method है, पहले action performed हुआ करता था. So first of all, what we'll do is we'll read the value from the text field given above. Now we haven't changed the name, so let's change it T1 and change the name of the list as list only, and change the name of this text field as T2, right? Go to the source code. So we'll take a variable, and since it is a value, so we'll take int x integer dot parse int t1 dot get text. So we'll get the value in this variable x. Now we'll check whether uh, first value of the radio button is selected, the first value, first item. So we can do it by index numbers. So as I told you earlier also, पहली वैल्यू का इंडेक्स नंबर 0 होता है, नेक्स्ट 1 है, फिर 3 है. तो किलोग्राम्स का 0, लीटर्स का 1, रुपीस का 3. So I'll write if list dot get selected index equals to 0. तो अगर इंडेक्स नंबर जो सेलेक्ट किया गया है वो 0 है, तब क्या करो, जो हमारा सेकंड टेक्स्ट फील्ड है t2 डॉट सेट टेक्स्ट विल प्रिंट स्ट्रेट अवे, will print whatever is x, whatever is the number written, multiply by 1000, right? And similarly, if list dot get selected index number is 1, then whatever is x, again it has to multiply to 1000, because liters को milliliters में करने हैं तो 1000 से multiply. और अगर 2 selected है, 2 मतलब रुपीस वाला selected है, तो 100 से multiply करना है, right? So we can put these multiple if conditions. Now again combo box is there, so we can only select one value, so we can also write else if here, and in place of this we can put only else. So इसका मतलब है पहले वाला सेलेक्ट हुआ तो 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, दूसरा वाला सेलेक्टेड है तब भी 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, और अगर ये दोनों सेलेक्टेड नहीं है, दैट मीन्स जो थर्ड वाला सेलेक्टेड है तो 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, राइट? सो वी कैन यूज else if also, and we can remove this else also, जैसे हमने पहले लिखा था कि हम else निकाल दें और सिर्फ if कंडीशन से लिख दें, तो that can also work. There is no issue, there is no error, right? So this will also work fine. That's it. Let's just run in the file and check it. Now enter a value. Let's say I put 15 as a number. I select kilogram, so I'll get 15,000. If I select liters, again 15,000. If I select rupees, it will be 1500, right? Or one more thing we can do over here is that since we want to add up after this, कि kilograms के आगे आपको grams लिखना है, liter के आगे आपको milliliters आ जाए, rupees के आगे पैसा आ जाए, so that we can also modify. For that we need to just add one more thing in the print statement. Like in first case, I want grams, right? So we'll put plus sign and write grams, and we'll put one space also. For second case, again space, milliliters, and for third one again one space and paise, right? And we can mention here that enter value in bracket, you can write in kilograms, liters, or rupees. We can mention there that this has to be entered, right? Let's just check the file. Enter the value in kg, liters, or rupees. If I put 25 and select kilogram, I'll get 25,000 grams. Liters, so it is 25. Size is larger than the text field, थोड़ा बड़ा लेना चाहिए. And if I select rupees, it is paisa, right? So this is basically your output, right? So similarly, there's another program for computerization. Now this is again based on certain conditions, right? In this case, we have certain conditions, and based on the condition, discounts are given. So for different discounts, we have to put different if-else statements, right? So we'll cover up this thing next time, right? We're left with only 2 minutes now, and kindly convey it to others also. So, that's it from my side, right?